Hi, my name is Mr. Sal, and a quick guide on why students should study mathematics at A level. So it's a guide for students, parents, and carers. Why study mathematics leads to a versatile qualifications, well respected by employers and higher education institutes, increases knowledge and understanding of mathematical techniques and their applications, excellent preparation for a wide range of university courses. It's stimulating and challenging courses. It supports the study of other A-level subjects, and it develops key employability skills, for example, like problem solving, communication, logical reasoning, and resilience. It has a global perspective. By that we mean doesn't matter where you go in the world, A-level mathematics is recognized throughout the whole world, and it's a fundamental skills that can be applied anywhere. What is covered at AS and A-level mathematics? Okay, 2/3 of the content, and so therefore 2/3 of your grade is based on pure mathematics. The remaining 1/3 of the grade, and so therefore 1/3 of the content, is based on what we call applied mathematics, comprised of statistics and mechanics. And stats and mechanics are equally weighted. At Khalsa Academy Wolverhampton, we follow Edexcel examining board for A-level maths. At AS level, which is only done in year 12, 1-year course, and it's whatever you learn in that will also feed into the full A level. Paper 1 consists of pure maths, 62.5%, 2 hours long, 1 out of 100 marks. That's pure. Paper 2 is made up of your stats and mechanics, 37.5%, 1 hour 15 minutes in length, 60 minutes in 60 marks. Your section A is stats, 30 marks. Section B is mechanics, 30 marks. So stats and mechanics are equally weighted. At the end of year 13, your full A level consists of 3 exam papers. Paper 1 is pure maths. Paper 2 is also pure maths. And paper 3 is made up of stats and mechanics. Paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3 are all equally weighted, 33% each, just over 33% each, 2 hours in length and 100 marks on every one of those exam papers. Paper 1, paper 2 is your pure content, and paper 3's section A is stats, which is worth 50 marks. Section B is mechanics, 50 marks. Again, that's equally weighted, and they make up 1/3 of your overall grade and content. The specification content, so at AS, pure maths is made up of proof, algebraic proof, algebra and functions, coordinate geometry, sequences and series, trigonometry, exponentials and logarithms, differentiation, integration, vectors. Paper 2 at AS is made up of stats and mechanics. So stats, you'll be doing statistical sampling, data presentation interpretation, probability, statistical distributions, statistical hypothesis testing. Section B, mechanics, is made up of quantities and units in mechanics, kinematics, forces, and Newton's law. Everything that you learn for AS is also embedded within A level. So at A level, you do exactly the same stuff as you do in AS, but at a higher content and higher subject level. But it also includes now numerical methods and vectors, which is, vectors also in AS, but numerical methods at a higher level. Stats and mechanics, there's a bit more content coming into that one. Okay, so with mechanics, you've also got the additional part of moments, and with statistics, you've also got identical stuff as a topic headings, but it's at a higher content level. What is pure maths? Pure maths is methods and techniques which underpin the study of all other areas of mathematics, such as proof, algebra, trigonometry, calculus, which is integration and differentiation, and vectors. Okay, so for example, there you can see an example of a question that students may come across at pure. What is statistics? Reaching conclusions from data and calculating the likelihood of an event occurring. Again, there's an example of a question in the red box of what might appear to be a stats question. The majority of private sector organizations believe the use of data analytics will be the most important factor in increasing growth in UK businesses. That's from Professor Sir Adrian Smith. What is mechanics? The modeling of the world around us, the motion of objects and the forces acting on them. Students planning careers in physics or engineering would find mechanics particularly useful. Again, there's an example of a mechanics question in the red box. Okay, you can have a look at your own leisure. A and AS level entries in the UK for 2003 all the way up to 2020. And you can see that the A-level entries for A level, which is the red line, has slowly been increasing generally. There's been a big drop in AS because a lot of students or a lot of schools have stopped entering students at AS level and just focus on the overall A level. Okay. 2020 A-level entries by subject. You can see that mathematics is the most popular and subject at A-level with its entries. Further down, you can also see further maths, which at this moment in time, we do not offer. Many subjects use maths. So you can see some of the subjects are PE, physics, business studies, economics, geography, sociology, psychology, and law, as well as some others like engineering and chemistry. Maths another A level, so geography, no specific percentage but geographical skills include quantitative and qualitative skills equally. Economics, at least 20% of that is maths. Biology, 10%. Business, 10%. Psychology, 10%. PE, 5%. Sociology, again, no specific percentage, but you will be analysing data, so that's statistics. Girls' participation in mathematics. Okay, so top 12 subjects for females in the UK. English being the highest, followed closely behind by psychology and biology, but maths is fourth. So girls, we would like you to do maths at A level as well. Okay. What are the career opportunities? Okay. Unless you plan to do a STEM, science, technology, engineering, maths degree, you don't need to study mathematics post GCSE. Not true. You only do mathematics degree to become a mathematics teacher. Untrue. Most careers that require A-level mathematics are male-dominated. Untrue. What are the career opportunities? So there are a collective of some of the careers or courses that you could do at university potentially that use A-level mathematics. So game designing, actual analyst, investment analyst, animator, air traffic controller, cryptographer, computer scientist, software engineer, national security analyst, operations research analyst, market research analyst, to name but a few. Okay. What are the career opportunities? Quantitative skills are required in a wide range of occupations and activities, embracing not only the mathematical and physical sciences, but also the social sciences, the humanities, and the creative arts. Humanities is now intrinsic to some aspects of the creative arts, and learned societies argue that students across the sciences, social sciences, and humanities need significant quantitative skills, and these should be a central component of their education. Again, quote from Professor Sir Adrian Smith. Okay, analysis highlights that the economic value of good and mathematical skills and of higher level qualifications in maths. There is compelling evidence of continued wage returns of up to 11% to A-level mathematics. So putting a price on exams. So basically average salary 6 years on by subject taken at A level. Further maths and A level maths at 25,500, physics at 25,500, and you can see for yourself some of the average salaries by subject taken at A level. Careers using maths. There is a huge shortage of people with STEM skills needed to enter the workforce. Applications of mathematics in technology, medical with designing new equipment, and games design, internet security, which is a massive one at the moment in the world. Financial cryptography, programming, communications, ongoing applications in engineering, aircraft modeling, fluid flows, acoustics, software development, electronics, civil engineering, modeling populations and diseases, quantities, quantum physics, astronomy, forensics, DNA sequences, data science, psychology, law, economics, climate change, environmental modeling, political science, international development. Okay, what are higher degree apprenticeships? Some places might also do higher end degree apprenticeships. I'll let you read that at your leisure. Exemplar entry requirements. So buildings control surveyor apprentice, you need 3 A levels, including maths, minimum grade C. BSc, computer science with digital technology, partnership degree apprenticeship, that is at AAA to include A-level maths grade A. Okay, so I hope you've got an idea on why A-level maths is important, not only from a financial point of view, but you can see that it's also across the board in many subjects, and that it's also applicable for girls, not just the boys, and we'd like just as many girls to do the subject as there are boys. Any questions, please contact me at Castle Academy Wolverhampton. My name is Mr. Sal, Head of Maths. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.